Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're an expecting mom, congratulations. You're so close to meeting your little one. But I know it can be a bit overwhelming too, especially if it's your first time. In today's video, I'll share some essential tips on labor and birth preparation so that you feel prepared and confident for your delivery day. Whether you're planning a normal delivery, epidural, or a C section, these tips will definitely help you a lot. So let's get started. First, let's talk about preparing your body for the labor. Labor is like running a marathon, it needs stamina, strength, and endurance, and also flexibility. So the very first thing that we are going to consider here are prenatal exercises. Now, as a prenatal expert, I host prenatal yoga sessions. So definitely you can join those if you are in any of your pregnancy trimester. We offer pregnancy yoga sessions for all the trimesters, even for the postpartum and the recovery phase. So if you're interested, comment down below and we'll share all the details. The gentle exercises like walking, swimming, and prenatal yoga can definitely help you prepare for the labor. Especially these things help you to build your endurance. A cat and cow stretch actually can help relieve the back pain and give comfort. Perfect for the labor prep. Also the butterfly pose, all the pelvic floor exercises, Kegel exercises that we accommodate in our prenatal yoga sessions. Not only the yoga asanas, but we also focus on the breathing exercises, the meditation, which are very much essential in your pregnancy journey for the childbirth. Now the second is pelvic floor exercises that I mentioned. So the Kegel exercises or pelvic tilts can help you strengthen your pelvic floor, which is very much recommended in your pregnancy journey. They support your body during delivery and recovery phase. The third is use a birthing ball, which is also termed as exercise ball or gym ball or yoga ball. That is important for you to use in your pregnancy journey, especially in your labor time. Sitting on a birthing ball encourages proper alignment and helps open your pelvis. You can also use it for hip circles for preparing for your labor. The next one is stay hydrated and eat well. Now, hydration is a very key part in your pregnancy. So always drink as much water as you can and eat always healthy. Diet rich in whole foods, iron, seeds and nuts and protein, all of this that you require. Don't go for junk foods or fast foods or fried foods, because if your diet is not healthy, your baby can get in the trap of diabetes mellitus, that is known as DM1. That is a type of diabetes that you get from the birth itself. So definitely anyone would not like their child to get diagnosed with diabetes during the birth only. So definitely your diet should be your top priority. And if you want any personalized diet plans, pregnancy meal plans for yourself, please comment and reach out to Healthy Pinch on Instagram. Now, let's focus on your mindset. As we all know, everything is here. From the mind, you can control everything. Your pain can go. You can even endure the pain if you have a strong mind. Labor is just as much as a mental journey as it's a physical one. So the first thing is understanding the stages of labor: early labor, active labor, transition, and the delivery. These things, if you are knowing beforehand, they can make you feel in more control, because knowledge is power. Also, you should know about signs and symptoms of the preterm labor. Now, these small tips and tricks I share in my shorts and reels on Instagram and YouTube channel. So you can definitely follow me on Instagram at @HealthyPinchFam and subscribe my YouTube channel too. Second is practice breathing techniques. The slow breathing actually is a lifesaver and helps a lot while delivery. So like breathing in for 4 counts and then exhaling out for 6 counts. This type of breathing technique, the 4-6 deep breathing technique, helps a lot. The breathing techniques help you stay calm and manage the pain during contractions. You can also go for patterned breathing and thoracic breathing. There are 3 types of sectional breathing in the Hatha Yoga. So you can go for those also. If you want detailed videos on those, let me know. Next is create a birth plan. Write a flexible birth plan with your preferences for pain relief, birthing position, and skin to skin contact after delivery. Share it with your healthcare provider ahead of time. You can also ask your prenatal expert to hand out a list of breathing practices or asanas, the labor positions, so that you can practice in your labor time and can be calm and peaceful during labor. Next is positive affirmations. Repeat affirmations like my body is strong, my body is designed to give this birth, and I'm ready for this experience. So these can keep you motivated during those challenging times. Now in our yoga sessions, we also practice positive affirmations, guided meditations every time in every class. So these positive affirmations or guided meditations help you prepare mentally. So definitely you should practice these, and you can listen to these recorded meditation sessions while in labor or when you are waiting for a delivery. The next is visualization. Picture yourself holding your baby for the first time. It can be incredibly powerful and uplifting during labor. Now the next is practical labor tips. These are the things that you can do to stay focused during labor. The first is pack your hospital bag early. As soon as you reach 35 or 36 weeks, start packing your hospital bag. I have linked a video on how to pack your hospital bag. There's a detailed video in which I have guided that how to pack your hospital bag, what all things you need to keep. So go and check it out if you haven't checked out till now. The next is labor positions. So experiment with those labor positions. Know, understand, learn from your prenatal expert or from your gynec. The sitting ones, squatting ones, with your hands and knees, or by using the birthing ball as I previously mentioned. So you should know all of these so that you stay calm and comfortable during the labor process. Third is staying mobile. That you need to be active. Walking, swaying, or leaning on your partner can actually help a lot. They make contractions more manageable. The next is hydrate and snack if allowed. So keep yourself hydrated and munch on some nuts and seeds or whatever is allowed in that period by your gynec. Keep yourself energized. The next is use pain management techniques. Try massage or warm compresses or even a warm shower or bath if your hospitals allow. They help to give you a lot of comfort. Also, mantra chanting helps in pain management. So listening to specific mantras can definitely help in your labor pain management. Also, mantra chanting is a part of Garbha Sanskar, which we give in our prenatal yoga sessions. So you can definitely contact us to know more about what all mantras you should chant in your pregnancy or labor journey. The next is don't hesitate to lean on your partner's back. They're there to encourage you and support you in this part of the journey. If you want to listen all those mantras, you can check out my meditation channel, which is linked in the description. Check out and hear those mantras and be positive and calm. Finally, let's talk about the moments after birth. Oh, such a relief. You have done the hard work and now it's time to meet your newborn baby. Skin to skin contact. Holding your baby skin to skin helps to regulate the body temperature and their heart rate and strengthen your bond immediately. Ask for help if you need any help with the breastfeeding, baby care and recovery. Don't hesitate to ask your nurses or whoever is beside you. Third is rest and recover. After delivery, focus on resting as much as possible because you need that. Your body has just performed a miracle. And that's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you and keep you prepared and confident for the labor and childbirth. Remember, every birth journey is unique and there is no right or wrong way to bring your baby into this world. Trust your body, trust the process. You have got this. And if you have any queries or questions or anything is going in your mind, just put it down in the comment box. I am there to help you out. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with all the new mommies, with all the moms to be expecting mothers, to your friends and family circle, because we want that this information reaches to more and more people so that they can give a peaceful and a calming birth and have a pleasant experience. Subscribe to my channel for pregnancy tips and more such videos. And comment below if you have any questions on labor tips. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'm sending all the love and strength to all the expecting mothers to have a pleasant and a calming birth. See you in the next video. Also check out all the pregnancy related videos, the must have essentials guide. I've also linked a PDF in the description box, so go and check that shopping guide. It's for free. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.